Vlikity figure me that just take out and capture a little clippings of what me have going there, so I take some picture a while ago. Crosses that thing box I turn over and everything. But I take some picture for post my IG. Company did send me this, as you can see. Think it, believe it, live to achieve it, and then my name up on the back. I don't even can see. Hold on. See KE. Kevin Too Crazy. So a company did sort out this for me, and we supposed to take some pictures from a longer time. But I said I wait on the right time for get something decent. But try my best to make the make the best of the situation. I think I get some decent pictures still. But you want to get some better ones, but when I get can work. So maybe just show them. Maybe I show you the picture them when I end up post. Or you can go check my IG at Kevin Too Crazy if you see all of the picture them when I post. I have a gimbal, whichever one you want to pronounce or call it. It helps you stabilize when you have video, so your video don't look shaky. Of course, I don't have it now, so this might look shaky, but the phone itself, it have stabilization also. So it might not look as terrible. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Shirt, yeah? A jersey, solid or what? No? Alright. Oh, it's a nice because jersey and with buy a shoe for kind of match with it. Is the shoe real? I don't know. I doubt it. But me like how it looks, so I buy it, I don't care. At this point in my life and where I am, my age, I wear things for two purposes, really. For comfort and if you look good. Notice comfort they are number one. If I'm not comfortable, I don't want to put it on. Remember one time I used to torture myself, so I wear some shoes with tight now, blouse and skirt. I can't walk good. Look clean as hell in a party. But when party done, I have to just ease up my foot out of the shoes, break down the shoes back so I can walk in a piece. I do them thing there again, man. I don't worry about if shoes real or fake. If you look good, I beat it. Some of my things that I can't stress myself over real and fake and all type of thing, If it look good, I beat it. And if it's comfortable for me, I beat it. If it look good, I put it on and it's comfortable, not gonna wear it. Some of my things that. I like the hot thing, one of them stretch hot day. I like how it what them call it, bent brim. Mouth feel dry. Kinda cool out here today, even though the sun out. I think about maybe 20 degrees or something. Chilly, man. I go in and now start through them picture here. See if I can find a couple decent ones to put up. And then put it up on the gram. Give the people them shout out what them did away from. And this company in China, I think they named Team Jersey Pro. If you watch the last video on Kevin Too Crazy original channel, you're supposed to see the promo at the beginning of that video there. So them. I'm just saying it to me free and ask me a little shout out. So if you have clothes out there, if you have some shoes company too, if you're a yard man who sell shoes and you want to send a pair of shoes, come give me. I'm going to give you a shout out on the gram. Then you do that. You know, wear be a Nikes and them sitting the Air Force. Just link me up and say, yo, Too Crazy. Just pick a shoes, brother. Send it to you. That's all I have to do. You don't have to do nothing else. I mean, shout you out on the gram. I buy that one and still I never free me get it, so no shout out now go on. Be a full price fee, but never get discounted or nothing like that. I look right there, something I wonder if I could take 2 more pictures. I know one where I definitely have to use for sure. It just have a certain look to it. And a while I'm gonna go over there, so I'm gonna sit down. Let me show you. You there over there, so? Under that little tree there, by the stop sign. I'll take some pictures too. The way I go on there now, might as well. I just make this 8 minutes and 20 in our vlog, not true? No, that does it. I feel like I'm gonna take a couple more pictures right there, so still. I'm gonna look on it when we're done. And if you look fitting, rock with it. If not, you get knocked. I have 2 vlogs where I need to edit. We gonna play some ball. I think last week, Tuesday. Or was it Tuesday or Monday? I think last week Monday. So I need to edit that. It's a shame that this vlog I got probably go up before the one day. I don't know, Woolly Pa sitting there still in but actually the footage big. It's like 40 odd minutes of basketball. And then I have a quick look at Thanksgiving vlog when we do. That one is supposed to be easy. But we need to sort out the basketball one first and then okay, I'm not gonna get that. But more than likely, because this is just one straight thing of me talking, then I'm not gonna get this before them there. Because this not gonna take no whole heap of editing video. So that I got easy to sort out. Basically what I need to do, I just drop this in the what name there? In the editing software. Nothing not there for me clip out, really. Then I go just boom. Upload that. Nice and easy. I did buy one a Gallus in Paris. Paris Sense. And this supposed to come drop that off today, but I don't know when they pan. Maybe mainly. But either way, I wait for it still a long time. I didn't want to support the thing, so I finally get the opportunity now to buy one. I buy it. Well, I bought it already, so I just for me get here now. But the circle, man, I'm not gonna know where it goes still. If you smell good, cause everybody has them bodies, isn't it? I know say people don't really push fucker like that. So if you bad for real, you really bad when people are push it, is it? So I want to try it out for myself. For a long time I didn't want to try, man. So I go. When you forward me, make you hear my review of it. And I think it has been long more than yo. Sent bad. And Rooster then I know say I make like day man. Go Alright people, I'm going back I gotta check this one, see if I can take 2 pics. Can't take 2 pics, then I just go in the house, go edit this. But at 8 minutes this, so fitting for the YouTube stratosphere. You can just put it up there on the watch and them thing. Alright, look more.